Naman yung servicio.
I am Teacher Angelo C. Fabrea, but you can call me Teacher Jel. A pleasant day, everyone. This afternoon, I'll be talking about the drama education. Please listen carefully so that you might be answered what are the question to you. Is that clear to you? Okay, let's start. Who among you here know what is drama and education? Okay, Mr. Baguio. Okay, that was great. But before that, we give him a fresh applause. You know what is a fresh applause? Okay, follow with me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Say fresh. Okay, let's give him a fresh applause. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Fresh. That was great. Okay. Drama in education, it's referred to as a creative drama or a process drama in a pedagogical process that seek to the balance both and form of content of drama. In doing this, the participant can engage with an element, bring themselves to dramatic experiences to learn about issues and concepts raised in the drama and through the drama. Importantly, drama in education relies on engaging participant in fiction. We have two kinds of drama education. First one is fiction that they are creating themselves, and second is looking at action events. Fiction that they are creating themselves, drama in these scenes create a space for participants to understand the world in which they live. Looking at action event linked to the text's historical period or socio-political are being studied with a wider or enable young people to see a complex connection for impacting on people and the unfolding of the event. Okay, we have here the two type of example of drama in education. First one, but before that, who among you here can give what are example of drama in education, which is the protecting the student's role and making fictional situation. Who among you have an idea? Please raise your hand. Okay. Mr. Kabaktulan. Okay, that was great. Let's give him a fresh applause. Let's start. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Say fresh. Okay. Protecting the student's role, participant can step into other people's shoes and understand and their perspective and position better. But the students needs to be protected into roles so that experience does not become superficial and they can really engage with another person and situation. And next one is making fictional situation. It is important components of drama in education that the participant and the facilitator are making the fictional situation or story together. In other words, protecting the student's role, the students might have know what should they do in characteristic, but before they do it and role so that they can know what is going to do. Second one is making a fictional, or in this way, the facilitator and the students have a connection together so that the flow of the program have a good impact. And I'll give it the floor to Ms. Pinsahan to discuss the key points of education.